Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. On this video we're going to be looking at our Presentation Studio tool. This tool allows you to create professional slideshow presentations for your business or your clients and etc. So first we're going to go over here on the menu. We're going to click on it, and over here you can save it, you can undo or remove slide, you can redo your action, you can cut, copy and paste. Pretty self-explanatory. Over here you can add your slides. If you just click on it you can keep adding it. To delete, you can just click on the X. Next up, we're gonna go to the top menu over here. First thing we're gonna add is text. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, whichever you like. If you want to edit it like this, you can do so. You can also do upwards and downwards. And you can also rotate it like this. I'm just gonna leave this here. Next up, we're gonna add an image. Over here you can browse your computer for a picture. I'm just going to add this Mercedes one and insert. And for the picture is the same thing as the text. You can make it bigger, smaller, rotate it, and etc. We can also add a video. It's the same thing as the image. You can add a website. Over here you would need to put your URL. For example, if I put Builderall as an option, I can add it over here. You guys can see it would work perfectly fine. It would fit my screen. I could adjust it over here as well and just leave it like that. To preview it, you can go to Impress and it will open another tab where you can see that it's actually working. We can click on the buttons. It will work perfectly fine. Let's go back to the presentation. Let's delete this over here, and we can also add shapes. Any of these shapes if you want to add them. For example, if I'm going to add a square, I can do the same thing as the image. I can change colors and all of that. Next up we have is background. You can change the background for all slides or selected slides. For example, I'm going to add two slides over here. If I wanted to change the background for all slides to put black, they would change to all black. If I wanted to change just number 2 to green, for example, it would change just the number that I selected. And we also have the last thing is the surface. That is the outside area of your slide. So over here, you're going to change to white, everything. I go over here. You can also change it to just one. To red, for example. You would change to just red. This was a general overview of our presentation studio. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.